Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
Baby names inspired by storm, lightning, wind, rain, cloud, and sky. Let us help you guys select a lovely and unique name that is associated with the weather. Baby names inspired by weather for boys. Arush, the first ray of the sun. Akash, sky. Barak, lightning. Kailas, sky. Urmia, good wind. Gale, sea storm. Panil, sky. Kianu, cool breeze. Neil, cloud. Rai, thunder. Sky, atmosphere seen from the earth. Sunny, radiant. Thor, thunder. Zenith, the sky point directly above. Zephyr, the west wind. Baby names inspired by weather for girls. Isla, whirlwind. Aurora, dawn. Autumn, fall season. Breeze, gentle wind. Frost, extreme winter time. Helia, shining light. Indira, the warrior goddess of rain and sky. Iris, rainbow. Lilani, sky. Orion, sunrise. Rain, rain. Sky, sky. Dora, the goddess of thunder. Varsha, rain. Zerua, sky. Unisex baby names inspired by weather. Rotary, a bolt of lightning. Capella, swift like the lightning or wind. Seal, sky. Foudre, a flash of electricity during a thunderstorm. Kidlet, lightning. Lighting, Duke of Thunder. Pera, lightning. Fae, to dance in the air. Nasim, breeze. Storm, storm. We hope you find this list of weather-inspired names for your little bundle of joy helpful. Happy baby naming!